Okay, here's another video, a Ressurection video. I'm going to be churning a couple of these out, hopefully, weekly. I'm going to start doing weekly videos. I know the schedule on videos has just kind of been random. But now that summer's rolling around, I'm going to try to churn out a weekly video, either Monday or Friday. This is a 40s Motorola battery set. And this is a series I'll be starting on the restoration of this. Restoration/resurrection. And the only reason why I'm doing this is because it uses a permanent magnet speaker instead of a field coil speaker. If it had a field coil speaker, then this thing would be promptly going into the garbage, because I'm not dealing with another field coil speaker, especially on something that's this bad. Yeah, I'm going to have to pull riders on it and see what these go to, and then build my own batteries at a 9 volts or power supply. So, this is a battery set, 4 tubes. These were made farm radios. These were made from the 30s all the way up to the 50s and 60s. They kind of turned into portable radios. And I bought this at an estate sale a while back. I paid $3.50 for it. No, $2.50, because I got it on half price day. I do have the cabinet. I figured for $2.50, it's worth it in parts. Here's the cabinet. What's the other TV? Figured for $2.50, it's worth it. Here's the cabinet on top of the Sonora. It's all here. It's just in horrible shape. On half price day. Of course, the model tag is missing. $1Q5. I don't think I've ever seen that tube. I believe 1A7 is the audio output. There's a Silvertone battery set down there that has a blown audio output. I wonder if a 1A7 will work in place of a 1N5. Anyway, first thing we're going to do is we're going to pull all the tubes out and test them. And, oh, here we go. Model 40 CW. Is that what that says? Model 40 CW. We're going to pull all the tubes out and test them. If there's a bad tube, then this thing is just going to go in the garbage can. I don't have many 1-volt tubes, and I'm definitely not going to be putting any parts into this turd. So we're going to pull all the tubes out, test it, because I'm going to have to rewire a lot of this. It's in bad shape. Looks like it was probably on a farm for a while. All of this is rubber wired, of course. But there's only 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 capacitors on the whole radio. This is not using electrolytic because you would use it off of batteries. Got a coil here. I don't know what these wires are to. I would expect antenna, because your speaker wires are over here. But again, we're gonna have to pull riders for this. Print it out. has something called battery saver. Low drain, high power. I don't understand that. Okay, so we're going to pull the tubes out. Okay, first up is the 1A7. First IF tube converter. No grid leakage. Good emissions. It's the 1H5 second IF tube. It's good. 2 sections, 96653. Nope. Nothing. Second section's dead. First section's good. Second section's completely dead. We'll see if it works without that, but... Okay, this is what happens when you don't get a lot of sleep. This is a 1N5 second IF tube. This is the 1H5 converter, not converter, what is this? Detector and audio preamp. That's the 1H5. So this is the 1N5. No grid emission, good emissions. We'll keep that one. Okay, 1H5. No grid leakage, good emission, and then 96653. Good. The 1Q5 audio output. It's good. See the filament dim because it's a the cathode and the filament are the exact same thing. So 1Q5 is good. So all the tubes check okay. We'll proceed with the radio. Okay, so giving it a blow job. Going to where'd the little nozzle go? Soak this control. And try to get that tuning condenser a bit happier. Feels okay. I don't hear any plates rubbing. That's good. Now I'm gonna actually turns now. Who would have thought? And I believe this is on some sort of spring-loaded contraption. It's supposed to let you know when the set is on, but it's broken. There, yeah. The set's on, and then set's off. Come on. Set's on. Set's off. So that's working. I think it's time to pull riders. Okay, here's our schematic. We have yellow, so this wire, and white. So these two are our 90 volt B battery, and red and green, which are these two, are our 1.5 volts for the filaments. So I'm going to label those. Okay, I got those labeled out. And we know this is for our speaker, and these two wires are for our antenna. I'm going to end this video here. This is for more of an assessment video. We will get back into this on Friday. So thanks for watching.